Can you smile for us, David? Huh? Can you smile for us? With the camera? No, you're not going to do it, are you? What do you think? You having a good time there? No? What do you think? What do you think, baby? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Is it good?
Leo's taking good care of you, isn't he? Huh. Yeah. Ooh, alrighty. We got gas.
Vamos!
We got gas. Are you making this an exciting time? Hmm?
Go,
Yeah.
push.
What do you think? Yeah. We get to do this every week. Isn't that nice? Yeah.